Two tools. Neither one is glamorous. Both will save you money and make your studio work the way it's supposed to. This is what a cutting mat looks like after years of heavy use. Grooves from rotary cutters, utility knives, and general studio work, and a blade that won't stop skipping. Most people assume the mat is dead. We did too. Colonial Needle told us to try the mat smoother before replacing anything. We were skeptical, but figured we had nothing to lose. Here's what it actually does. It lifts the trapped fibers and debris out of the grooves first. Once that buildup is gone, the self-healing surface can do its job and smooth back out. Light pressure, circular motion. That's it. The blade stops skipping. The mat we thought was done is still in heavy rotation a full year later. Now for the other tool, and honestly, this one gets just as much daily use in our studio. If you work with dark fabrics, do hand stitching, or photograph your finished projects, you know this frustration. Thread lint is everywhere, and lint rollers are too aggressive. They can distort or damage delicate fabric. The Lint Magnet lifts embedded fibers without residue, without pulling at the weave, and it's completely reusable. We use it constantly for photo prep, sashiko cleanup, and keeping our white cutting table free of fiber contamination when we switch between fabric colors. And here's the bonus use we didn't see coming. It is now our go-to for keeping our collection of felt hats clean and neat. If you have felt hats, you already know they attract everything. The Lint Magnet handles it perfectly. Maintenance tools aren't exciting, but they do save you money. Money you can put toward more maker supplies. Our mats get regular tune-ups instead of early replacements. Our finished projects photograph cleanly. Our felt hats look sharp. These tools fall squarely into the category of things we thought we didn't need until we tried them. Now we can't imagine working without either one. Restore your studio. Find the Mat Smoother and Lint Magnet at colonialneedle.com.